I'm Chef Rebecca, Culinary Supervisor for Minneapolis Public Schools Culinary and Wellness Services. I want to welcome you back to my kitchen and another week of unboxing and menu previews. I apologize for not having a video last week, but I took a few days off and I think you'll forgive me once you see the items in this week's box. It's pretty fantastic. Some announcements first. Just a reminder, we will be closed on Friday, July 3rd in observance of the holiday July 4th. Make sure to pick up a box either earlier in the week or the following week. And another exciting announcement, as of Friday, we hit 2 million, yes, you heard that right, 2 million meals served since we closed in March due to the pandemic. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been there to support us, whether it's picking up a box, bringing cards from your kids, and leaving comments on Facebook. We read them all. So we truly appreciate you coming and supporting our program. Which, reminder, is running at least through July 24th. Make sure to check out our website for more details about that. But further ado, let's check out what's in this week's box. For breakfast, we have everyone's favorite French toast sticks, Cocoa Crisp, animal crackers, and for lunch we have a brand new menu item for boxes. This is one of our most popular items throughout the school year, so I'm very excited and I know the kids are going to love it. We've got nachos grande with beef and nacho cheese served with tortilla chips. Sandwiches made in our nutrition center, cheese pizza in a bag, and our all beef local hot dog from Thousand Hill Farms. And each box will have a variety of fresh fruit and vegetables. This week I got salad mix. This is also a new item. You can top it with cherry tomatoes. And for fruit, we've got grapes and strawberries, very exciting, as well as peach cups. Also, each box will have milk in it. Remember, the items that I receive in my box might be a little different than what you receive in your box, but you'll always have the components to make 7 breakfast and 7 lunch. Again, don't forget, we're closed July 3rd. Pick up a box before or after, and we hope you have a great week and a safe holiday. Thank you.